simple function marking the 44th birthday of human rights icon Irom Chanu Sharmila held today, attended by JNU students. Students of Government Polytechnic Takilpat storm Education Minister's office with their demands. Classes to resume tomorrow following assurance by the Education Minister. International Day for Rivers, Water and Land observed across the state. Concern raised over the alarming rate of water contamination and pollution of rivers and water bodies. And Justice Songkhup Chung Serto sworn in as the 5th additional judge of the High Court of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tanshwam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. A simple birthday function was held today marking the 44th birthday of human rights icon Irom Chanu Sharmila, attended by students of Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. The birthday function was initiated by Just Peace Foundation, IFM and Human Rights Alert at the office of the HRA located at Kwakaithel, Imphal West. JNU Delhi students team accompanied by members of Just Peace Foundation, IFM and HRA arrived at Jennings Hospital to meet Sharmila. Irom Chanu Sharmila was watering flowers at the hospital campus and was visibly surprised by the sudden visit of her well-wishers on her birthday. Speaking to Impact TV, activist Irom Chanu Sharmila said she wonders how and when will her voice against Armed Forces Special Powers Act reach the heart of the people.
Ngasi occasion se koi ichi Sharmila gi mapuk numit ni haina su akoi da ngasi khangzabana koina ngasi gi human rights alert amasung ifam aduga Just Peace Foundation na pulap silaga ngasi gi magi mapuk numit se celebrate ta usaina koi human rights alert ki office ta koi yumda suti thora aga leiba khara dum participate ta bulak sabani ije gi mapuk numit ka mari leina na akoi gi student khara gi maiki ta gi dum achamba kudu amasu ije da
Agitating students of Government Polytechnic Takilpat today stormed the office chamber of Education Minister Moirangthem Okendro. And around 3 p.m., agitating students of Government Polytechnic Takilpat demanding infrastructure upgradation of the institute stormed into the office chamber of Education Minister. Minister Moirangthem Okendro held talks with the agitating students. The minister gave assurance that their demands will be fulfilled within 5 days. Following the assurance from Education Minister, the students have called off class boycott. Classes will resume normally from tomorrow.
Minister confirmation pure Minister hayeng dagi class holani habagi thajaba pijare deduga college ki toilet leitriba the classroom leitriba jo jangaina hayeng loi manage torne na habire duga college ki toilet na within 5 days bogdama minister na sarni na khoi thajaba pirak poi matungina khoi college ki boycott je khoi ngasi dagi
Earlier in the day, agitating students of Government Polytechnic Takilpat burned college furnitures. The students also raised slogans like "We want fair education" slogans during the protest. Mention may be made that students began their class boycott from 11th of March following seized work by college teachers against the appointment of new principal from 3rd of March. The 28th Manipur University Festival, MUFest, kicked off today at the Manipur University Sports Complex. 19 contingent took out march past at the inaugural day today. Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, is organizing the festival till 19th of this month. At the inaugural day today, Thangta exhibition and a football tournament were held. Acknowledging the contribution of sports-loving people of the state and ancestors, Chief Guest of the function, Works and Transport Minister Dr. Kumukcham Ratankumar said, National Sports University is a dream come true because of their efforts. He also said to keep the tradition of sports spirit alive, the government is giving special attention to promotion of sports and culture.
The state government is doing all its best to promote sports activities, sports competition, and also the cultural items. Now, we are proud to have today in our state a national sports university. This we have been able to achieve because of our sports loving people, because of our ancestors who have kept the tradition of this sports spirit.
Introducing the oldest form of art of story narration through dance from Kerala in Manipur, a 3-day workshop cum festival of Kutiyattam began today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Participants will be given training and awareness on the oldest form of art of narrating story through dance. K.K. Krishna Gopal, leading a team of 12 artists, is giving lecture on the art form. The artists also demonstrated the dance form. 4 stories will be shown every day at 6 p.m. during the festival. The workshop cum festival is jointly organized by Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, Kutiyattam Kendra Center for Kutiyattam, Thiruvananthapuram and Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy.
mayamna develop tawriba art form jisu aikoi khangba da aduga mayam gi exchange tawraga aikoi gisu mayam ga manna adum he ma kumang choksinna aikoi se develop tawna ma hona ma ba masing matang sida aikoi mi gisu aikoi khangba da aduga aikoi gisu mayam ga uthokba da mayam na tawna dai ma mo masiga matung in aikoi se develop tawba da.
Concern over the alarming rate at which rivers and water bodies in Manipur are getting polluted and contaminated. The International Day for Rivers, Water and Land was observed in the state today. The day was observed under the theme Nambol River Revival at Thong Nambombi. The day is organized to educate on the threats facing the rivers of Manipur and learn better water and energy solutions. As part of the day, spot painting and essay competition were conducted at Wahenlekai Lairenbi Community Hall. The prize distribution ceremony was held at Thong Nambombi. The day was organized as International Rivers Day by Indigenous Perspectives, People for Animal, All Loktak Area Fishermen Union Manipur and other organizations. Speaking to Impact News, Khoirakpam Deben Singh, Vice President of All Loktak Area Fishermen Union Manipur, appealed for a water treatment plant. He said polluted water from various rivers are contaminating Loktak Lake. Giving suggestion to the state government, he said the water from various rivers can be treated before it reaches Loktak Lake.
Loktak the Tari, but Turian Singsi, Akogi, Turian Gim, Taramda, the Pat Taramdagi, Masinda, Akogi, water treatment plant, Sambiba. Masi Adudagi, Maru in Akogi, Casement area, Sing Samgat Piba. Aduna Tragadi Loktak people saying a sisu, no monomogadum Choxilakini and Pakone Tamzage, Isingsi, Kanagum Kutu, Lupo, Lupoya, Isingse, Loktak Taribani, Adunandi, Loktak is in the pollution to Ibase. Women get policies Waraga, Loktak Maya de Tariba, Ngami Sing, Amasing, Ngami Parza, Mayam Sinda, blame Tobudi, Masidi, totally Lali, and a quick Hajage. Akogi, treatment, Torkana that Loktak Tan view, I will come say, quite Fadi Maru and Masetamse.
The International Rivers Day was also observed at Chadong village, which got submerged last year by Mapithil Dam, also known as Thawbal Multipurpose Project. The day was organized by Center for Research and Advocacy Manipur and Mapithil Dam Affected Village Organization at Chadong Ukhrul District.
Sagilansi loina ma manghan ma makal gi development sidi masida khoi kitang khantaba matam oire habduma ngasi gi international rivers day misida khoina su thamning bani aduga ngasai mapungena mapithel dam gi onadi khoi waroisin oidab se mayam lei ji si makhoi si lou se thonggi badagi makhoi si lou udre mangi se amasi udana marum orga makhoi si khoi khamthena waba du oibani turian si yarange de manipur turian se free ona chelhan biu aduga maleng gi international rivers day gi khoi gi message su karino hamtan turian ga praja ga mioi ching lei nariba mari se kahan bigano adu turian si achen ba turian uhin bi haba all rivers in manipur flow free have a message maina khoi gi river din misra kan pijaning banem.
Justice Songkhup Chung Serto was today sworn in as the 5th additional judge of the High Court of Manipur. Chief Justice L.K. Mohapatra administered the oath of office to Songkhup Chung Serto this morning at High Court Room Manipur, room number 1. Songkhup Chung Serto earlier worked as Registrar of Manipur High Court. The last rites of Nomaithem Ongbi Memicha was held today. JAC form against the death of Memicha accepted the body of Memicha and performed the last rites. The JAC decision comes after police arrested the accused person, Nomaithem Khomdom Sana, on 11th of March and began investigation into the case. Body of Memicha was found at Samram Panthaklakol on 26th of February. JAC co-convener Thaunajam Ashakiran told Impact News that in case government fails to fulfill their demands, then they will continue with their agitation.
ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯟ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯖꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯣꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯛꯍꯟ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯃꯤꯆꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯥꯛ 5 ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ JSCꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯛꯍꯟ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅꯕꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯛ
JSC of mysterious death, brutal killing of Hatnai Kim Zau today organized a public meeting at Manipur Press Club in connection with the death case. The JSC drew the attention of the authority concerned to bring out the truth behind the killing. Women representatives of Churachandpur, Chandel, Bishnupur, Imphal West and Imphal East took part in the meeting. Mention may be made that Hatnai Kim Zau was found hanging at a place called Ngakrapat, Kwaksifai under Bishnupur Police Station on 29th of February. A house was engulfed in flames and properties worth 7 lakh rupees destroyed today at Thangapanmapal Palace compound at around 3 in the afternoon. 4 rooms of the house were completely destroyed by the fire ignited from an LPG gas cylinder. The house belongs to Laisham Ningol, Sarungbam Ongbi Romola and rented by Takilambam Robindro for running a jewelry shop. 2 fire tenders of Manipur Fire Service were pressed into service to douse off the fire. A pedestrian died on the spot after a Santro car hit him. The deceased has been identified as Muhammad Kabir Khan, age 17, son of Muhammad Kharul Haq from Kolkata, living at present at a rented house at Hafiz Hatta. He was studying in 100 Flower School and was appearing in the Class 11 Science examination. He was hit while returning home from shop. Police arrested the driver of the car, who has been identified as Yumnam Boyboy of Kurai Putibelaikai, from the spot. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Aribam Nimai Sharma, today inaugurated a waiting shed cum market shed built at the ground of Brahmapur Social Club, Brahmapur, Lanji Lakpalekai. The inaugural function was attended by the Maira Paibis and members of the club. Speaking to Impact News, Mayor of IMC, Aribam Nimai Sharma, said the shed was constructed under 13 Finance Commission of IMC with an earmark funding of 50,000 rupees. He said the local Maira Paibis and club members approached him to build the shed as a multi-purpose shed, so the total cost of the shed went up to 2 lakh rupees. Aribam Nimai Sharma thanked the locals and club members for helping in the construction of the market shed.
Matam khagi oina marketing shed so adum oibe aba, waiting shed so adum oibe aba, pavilion so adum oibe aba, mawongda masi amatang sinbiu haina aingonda suggestion to birakudagi sangasi sakhibani laikai hariba sumlaba Maya Pabisingi Tobiman Lonana Brahmapur Social Club ki Thau Puriba Ichino Sinchina Maipu Nana Makoisu Makoy Angaba contribution Toraga Loishan Hibase Masiki Donta Marumapang Kudimupu and Hanan Hagasari.
Imalesem Inat Loisang is organizing 11th Sajibu Inat Ngai Khang Kumhai 2016 from 22nd of April to 1st of May at Panthau Isai Konung in Wangkai Hicham Lerak. Thaunajam Brinda, daughter-in-law of former chairman UNLF R.K. Sanayama, also known as Meghan, clarified that she resigned from service because of dichotomy factor. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, she said there was problem at the time of her selection in the MPS 2012 and later she was mentally disturbed, which made her lose self-confidence. She said she has given her resignation later to the DGP of Manipur through the commandant of 9th IRB. She also clarified that her resignation is not related to the confession of Herojit on the Sanjit fake encounter case.
Tokano have say you will wishes me am not tokano am highway am yawe. Government not necessarily government site in a sensitive case as mine. Immediately accept history is being repeated. Quigi Kubo 100 talk about poto. Tabamana talk have a talk yagi the way awabado. ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯗꯥ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯣ ꯁꯨꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯒꯨꯟꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯒꯅꯤꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯣꯇꯤꯚꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯟꯀꯔꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ BACMꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯕꯤ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯤ ꯄꯨꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Samaina Imphal-gi area-da leiriba office building-singsida aikoigi sarkargi office-singsibu hena nanba mongda puraknabagi sigumba tanja ama pibasi yamna innovative oiba pungning thoganingai oba ponni.
Modana Simbiriba Swasberg, missing the office, Luxembourg, Lubu Hermatanabi, competitions, Yakusu, Sarugazag, and Mass 16 years old, Tanabian and above Capitovian and above Mons.
Si competition sina si matung ina officing sida moida awareness amasula ai luna na thamdaba yadaba gi kam keno masulak jare masigi competition je am afaba khongthang amane ai haijani.
Employee masamsagi room khangde masamsai phampham se dum mathanda singjaba tobunina khara wana di thokani.
Akoi department asisu yamna neat and clean asida competition sida yaununa ba haidana akoi thaba hauzare.
From time to time, you do work. Chosen service hai kada particularly campus manu opinion je koi dum toi aur isu me hum lakda uri thudon motive ne han kanje.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A team of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh today inspected the now defunct hydropower project located at Laimakhong. BJYM Manipur Pradesh Oinamale said the project, which was built at the cost of 125 crore rupees, was inaugurated by the then President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, in 2002. However, the project, which was expected to produce 36 megawatt, is lying useless. Malesh demanded state government to produce a white paper on the project and clarify to the people of the state.
Het sabadagi hoigi amukak hoigi metric exam da amukak tang function toramaga ngasi bobok paralyzed tawduna leire masigi amount magi estimate cost na crore chamaga kumanga 0.38 lakhs sin masidani khoina Congress na ngasi tawrom liba pot tawriba namthagase masi BJM na makhata na thigalakpasida sisu akoina thigachariba policy akoi athuba matamda masi akoi RTI thagani.
Seja Hospital has achieved a rare feat by saving a child born prematurely under extreme low birth weight. The baby born to Chingakam Somnath and Chingakam Ongbi Gitarani of Haingang Mayalekai weighed just 785 grams. Speaking at a press meet, medical superintendent of the hospital, Dr. Jugendra Sorokhaibam, said the baby was admitted in the hospital on 14 December last year and was kept in intensive care unit of pediatrics and neonatology for 85 days. During the treatment, the weight of the baby further dropped to 625 grams and had to administer total parental injection providing protein and other micronutrients. With the hard work and constant care of the hospital, every organ of the baby has been developed in a proper way, and the baby now weighs around 1.6 kg. The baby was discharged on 3rd of March.
Proud moment have tare. Akoigi hospital gi oinasu isam personally oinasu sigumba yamna rare oiba feat medical feat have tare. Masigi se akoi sidasu Manipur dasu pangthokpa ngamni asi soidana akoina kanba ngamgani natraga hingani haibagi wafam se akoida sutha thajade have tare. Neonatal adumba angang se handle tawagi experience se laibagi have tare. Definitely facilities the adum darkar tai facilities laitana su human resource to lairaga su oiroi hariba punamak se nona pulak punjalakpagi tangkak to dane hojiki success phangi.
The staff of Medical Directorate Office today staged sit-in against the monetary demand made by an underground outfit from the Office of Chief Medical Officer Imphal West at Lamphel. Placards that read, "CMO is for patients, not a profit-making office," and "Stop making unbearable demand" from the staff were used during the sit-in. A one-day convention program on consumer rights was organized by Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur, which was held today at Manipur Press Club, Majorkul, in connection with the World Consumers Day, which will be observed tomorrow. PPCM convener Dr. Y. Manikuman, speaking to Impact News, said price rise of essential commodities during Bandh and blockade has become a norm. He expressed his disappointment at the inaction of the Consumer Affairs Department and various private consumer clubs for not controlling the prices of commodities. He said the department concerned must check price fixing and take up action so that the general public are not held to ransom by traders and businessmen during Bandh and blockade.
Manipur do huju ko gi lairiba thau gi oiro natragna ban blockade se ko Manipur yam toy banina tongan ba trade business toriba miyosingna pot ki mamon se wangne wangba nemni haneba masan lepsaba Albert Independent hatare sumo myam lakba makoida awaban nanganba Consumer Affairs ki department Manipur lai anu consumer club na makan mathen gi koi Manipur da private ki oiba ko voluntary organization myam lai sarkar gi lairi ngasimam do madu correct action lokatba udaba asina maram warga koi myam the hand and the say thing pirakpa masi myam si thing mathok tai.
A two-day awareness cum hands-on training program on farm-made feed for aquaculture began today at Inland Fisheries Center, Lamphel Part. The training program is sponsored by ICAR, Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai. The training aims at imparting training on farm-made feed for the fish farm in the hill districts. 30 participants from the hill districts are taking part in the training. Seven-day Imphal Expo 2016, organized by National Small Industries Corporation Limited, Uripok Achomlekai, kicked off today at Iboyama Sumangnila Sanglin Palace compound. Around 100 stalls are open in the expo. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore lauded the effort of NSIC in organizing such expo annually, which will give a platform for small-scale industries to market their products. Nabakishore also added that government has been taking various programs and schemes for the welfare of the entrepreneurs of the state.
Parliament state ki thoraka deba fee mayam se yamna thoraka ne na thajai masina Manipur gi dana North East ki fee gi requirement atra export phabu to bu yar kanen khali industry department na apparel na government center amasu hoje lamboi khona khongda linkhale state of the art ki khusu khulai thamduna adumba Manipur da industrial scale da garmenting center ama linkhapa gi thabak loi re helum gi do borsu food product food processing do borsu scope ti am legre Housing organic farming gi Bharat Sarkar na North East ki dangta yam chauraba sempham ama thada gadori value chain graina on organic farming thabade horgana marketing phawba loin mang yawba dum mai pesa thada gadori.
The 2016 Irom Sharmila Scholarship has been jointly awarded to Hyderabad Central University student late Rohit Vemula and Jawaharlal Nehru University Students Union President Kanhaiya Kumar. The award was handed over to representative of Vemula and Kumar on behalf of JNU-SU at the JNU Administration Block today. The Irom Sharmila Scholarship was started in 2012 by Delhi University Professor Nandini Sundar. It is open to any postgraduate students who comes from an area of internal armed conflict. The scholarship carries cash prize of around 50,000 rupees and around 60,000 rupees if shared. The award is given to student representatives or student bodies seeking to strengthen India's constitutional democracy by upholding the constitutional ideals of fraternity, equality, right to life, and inspiring many others across the country.
Chumba habasi koi mayok nagadavani habasida aina tawibasi summi habasi koi da sumaina managa pibi basida ꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯊꯤꯟꯒꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯟꯒꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯟꯒꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯈꯤꯒꯗꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ.
Meanwhile, JNU Students Union President Kanhaiya Kumar has lent his support to human rights crusader Irom Sharmila's campaign against the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Kanhaiya Kumar yesterday met three-member team of All Manipur Working Journalists Union led by its president Wanghemcha Syamjai on the JNU campus yesterday. Blue Band took out a bike rally yesterday to the memorial site of late Sapam Robin Hood at Awaching, Imphal East. As part of the bike rally, saplings were planted at Awaching. Music director cum singer Dr. Hamom Naba flagged off the bikers from Sagolbantera Wangtongbi at 11 a.m. Late Robin Hood's family, along with JCILPS members, paid floral tribute at the site. Now some sports news. Manipur Police Sports Polo Club B and Imphal Riding Polo Club entered into the quarter-final of the 26th Governors Cup Invitational Polo Tournament. In a match played today, Manipur Police Sports Polo Club B thrashed Tekcham Polo Club 11-3. In another match, Imphal Riding Polo Club defeated KNMM Riding School Singjamai 6-3. 12 teams are taking part in the tournament, organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association at Mapal, Kangjebo. Wovinam Association of Manipur claims the title of the National Wovinam Championship for the 7th time. Manipur bagged 39 medals, 29 gold, 9 silver and 1 bronze in the 7th National Wovinam Championship held at Guwahati from 22nd February to 25th of February. 43 players from the association was led by M. Netrajit and M. Ibemal as team manager and C.H. Mahadev as the team coach. And in cricket, Eastern Sporting Union Wanghai defeated Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sports Association Ka Imphal by 97 runs in the 3rd MCA Plate Cricket Tournament. In another match played at Luang Popa Cricket Stadium, Luang Sangbam, Pioneer Sporting Club Khoyathong defeated Real Raipura Cricket Club Churachandpur by 79 runs. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association. Force Cricket Club Khetrigao and Oscar Paunakaithel will play tomorrow. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Simple function marking the 44th birthday of human rights icon Irom Chanu Sharmila held today, attended by JNU students. Students of Government Polytechnic Takil Park stormed Education Minister's office with their demands. Classes to resume tomorrow following assurance by the Education Minister. International Day for Rivers, Water and Land observed across the state. Concerns raised over alarming rate of water contamination and pollution of rivers and water bodies. And Justice Songkhop Chung Serto sworn in as the 5th additional judge of the High Court of Manipur.